James Kaufman, World News Report today, January 4th, 2025. God bless you and yours, no matter where you are in the world. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for critical future updates. Is this Operation Sea Spray 2025? U.S. fog or Chinese fog? Mysterious chemical-smelling fog blankets U.S. states, sparking health concerns and bioweapon fears. In recent weeks, a mysterious fog with a distinct chemical odor has enveloped multiple U.S. states, causing health concerns among residents and fueling bioweapon theories, especially following numerous drone sightings in the affected areas. The fog has been observed in various states, including California, Florida, Iowa, Kansas, Maryland, Minnesota, Nebraska, North Dakota, Oklahoma, Texas, Virginia, West Virginia, and Wisconsin. Now, the last count I got, folks, was 27 of the 50 states. In a viral TikTok video, David Bamber from St. Petersburg, Florida, wrote, "The fog, quote, tastes and smells like after setting off a lot of fireworks, that sulfur smell," end quote. Quote, "It's crazy foggy right now, but that's not the weird part. Number one, it's weird because as it gets later in the day, fog should lighten and dissipate, and it's really not doing that. But the weirdest part all is the taste and the smell," Bamber said in the video, which amassed over 3 million views. Quote, "It smells like after you set off a bunch of fireworks, and the taste of the air is, the only word I can think of is toxic. It's super weird. I'm going for my walk, and it's worrying me a little bit. That's weird. Yeah, it smells not right. I'm 41. I've been through fog. This is something different," he added. "This is not normal fog." In a separate video, Bamber said, "It smells and feels like chemicals going down my throat when I breathe." Residents have also reported experiencing flu-like symptoms after brief exposure to this type of fog. It sounds like it's not fog at all, ladies and gentlemen. One Florida individual recounted sneezing, eye swelling, fever, and stomach cramps after being outside in the fog for just 10 minutes in an interview with the Daily Mail. Quote, "Within about an hour, I kept sneezing over and over for about 3 hours, and my eyes were really puffy," she said. "I started getting very warm and developed a fever, and my stomach was cramping as well." Well, ladies and gentlemen, I wish I could say our own U.S. government hasn't sprayed our population with chemicals to test them, but that would be a lie. There's no telling if this is a U.S. product or perhaps even a Chinese bioweapon. Y'all let me know what you think. The fog doesn't seem as heavy as it was a few days ago, but it's still foggy here in Texas. Please share, subscribe, and always remember that anything's possible. Bizarro world.